If you're trying to figure out how to ask for payment on Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the simple steps to quickly and efficiently collect payments through the Housecall Pro software. And you'll also learn some pro tips to streamline your payment process, making it easier than ever for your customers to pay. First off, Housecall Pro is an all-in-one software designed for service businesses like HVAC, plumbing, electrical, and cleaning services. If you're new to it, you're in luck. The platform has a ton of features that can save you time and effort, especially when it comes to getting paid. When you're ready to ask for payment after completing a job, start by navigating to the job details in the app. Once you've confirmed the work is done and everything is set, simply click on the Create Invoice option. From there, Housecall Pro automatically pulls the relevant information into your invoice, like the services provided, your rates, and the customer's details. No need to manually input everything, saving you time. You can also customize the invoice to add any discounts, taxes, or additional notes to the customer. It's all fully editable, so you can ensure everything is correct before sending it out. Now, once you're happy with the invoice, Housecall Pro gives you the option to send it directly to your customer via email, text message, or even through the app itself. This is where things get smooth because your customers can pay you easily online. They have the choice of paying by credit card, debit card, or ACH transfer directly from the invoice they receive. The great thing about Housecall Pro's payment system is that payments are processed quickly, so you don't have to wait long to get paid. And if you're wondering about tracking, Housecall Pro gives you real-time updates so you can see when the payment is made or if it's pending. Another feature worth mentioning is the request payment feature. If a customer hasn't paid right away, you can send a payment reminder directly from the app. This can be a great way to stay on top of things without having to manually chase down payments. One of the coolest things is the ability to offer your customers a simple and secure way to pay. Housecall Pro's integration with various payment processors means they don't have to jump through hoops to get you paid. Just a couple of clicks and they're done. Before we wrap up, remember that you can use Housecall Pro completely free through the first link in the description below, where we've got some exclusive bonuses for you. Now, this isn't just a trial. This is an extended free trial that gives you plenty of time to test out all of Housecall Pro's payment features and decide if it's right for your business. So, to recap, Housecall Pro makes it easy to ask for payment, create professional invoices, and send them directly to your customers for quick payment. And with all of the tools and integrations, it's simple to track and manage payments right from your phone. If you want to try Housecall Pro with our extended free trial and explore even more features that can help you grow your business, be sure to check the link below. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.